Good morning, I'm Lucy Adeyemi. Algeria National Assembly has approved a new bill that could have offenders convicted of child abduction in the country sentenced to death. A new bill proposed under the new law provides harsher punishment for crimes of abduction involving children. The new bill has to go through a second reading in the Council of the Nation before it becomes law. The death penalty has not been formally abolished in Algeria. It has also not been implemented since 1993, but that was in a terrorism case. Still in Algeria, there is worrying upsurge in coronavirus cases. The Committee for Monitoring the Evolution of the COVID-19 pandemic says higher number of infections is being recorded. The figures are becoming more and more dizzying since the beginning of this week. COVID-19 cases have now reached more than 70,600 confirmed since the first case was recorded in Algeria in February. The Algerian government has adopted additional provisions to strengthen preventive and protective measures applicable from Wednesday as part of the management of the health crisis linked to the spread of the coronavirus pandemic. We'll be right back.
We are on the road every day, canvassing throughout Africa for news you really need. We follow this story everywhere, from every corner of Nigeria to the wide African expanse. We bring you what's making headlines. We connect you with news you can use. ANN, African News Network, in a truly African spirit.
Ghanaian President Nana Akufo-Addo has denied allegations of interference in anti-corruption fights in his country. Former anti-corruption chief Martin Amidu alleged the president was standing in the way. In a statement, the president described the allegations as errors of fact. The statement added that neither the president nor any member of his government interfered with former anti-graft chief's work. Ghanaian government said adequate resources were made available to enable Martin Amidu do his work efficiently and effectively. Amidu resigned as Ghana's anti-corruption chief on Monday, citing, among other things, interference by President Akufo-Addo. Amidu's appointment 2 years ago was greeted with high expectations, as he was seen by many in Ghana as the right man to fight corruption among public officials. His resignation comes less than 3 weeks before the general election in a country where promises to deal with corruption feature prominently during election campaigns. That is ANN News Brief at 10. For details on these and other breaking stories, visit our website, annafrica.news. Conversation continues on our social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at ANN Africa TV. I'm Lucy Adeyemi.